the Ipsy Plus bag, this is actually the last of my annual subscription. Not that I'm not going to keep it and do it again, but this is the last one. And look at this. I couldn't believe when I opened this up, all this damaged product. It's like the post office was playing football with my Ipsy bag. But why would Ipsy put a glass bottle and just toss it in there to bang around with everything else and not secure it? It didn't have anything around it. No plastic wrap, nothing, to secure it. So I took everything out. The packages are all damaged. So there really isn't anything that I could gift. I was going to do a giveaway, so we can't do that. And this vitamin C serum is leaking as well. It leaked right out of the bottle. It is the Fleur NB Nectar of the Sea. It's a $46 product, 1 ounce. And it has nutrients and antioxidants. 10% is vitamin C with hyaluronic acid, jojoba oil, and it's a non-sticky formula. So it's something I'm definitely interested in trying. And you can see right there that it has actually leaked out of this bottle. But this bag was banged up. Okay, so this one is ALO. It's an enzyme facial cleanser. Look at the packaging. This has slivers on it. Slivers of glass on this packaging. And the blue from the solution. So it's an enzyme facial cleanser. And it retails $32. It's 115 milliliter in size. Of course, with the plus bag, everything's full size. It will balance and restore and give you glowing skin. It has ALMA, superberry, and pineapple. So I'm definitely interested in trying this. This was one of my choices. And I don't see any way that a sliver could get actually inside this bottle. So this product actually should be okay. And it is a product that I had planned on keeping for myself. I just want to definitely check the pump and make sure the pump is working properly, because with everything being banged around so bad, although that package wasn't dented, it was just, slivers of glass and that blue solution from the moisturizer. Okay, so now the Tarte C Gel Moisturizer. Look at that box. It's got blue all over it, slivers of glass all over it, so I guess I have no choice but to keep that. I mean, what are you going to do? I mean, even if I'm able to use it, I just really feel like they should just replace the whole box. This is just ridiculous. Okay, so that goes to the vitamin C solution. All right, I'll get that out of the way. So we have the gel moisturizer packed with marine plants, hyaluronic acid, vegan squalane, and then it has electrolytes to balance the complex and soothe and replenish. So, I mean, it does look like something might be under that lid there. Oh my gosh. But there's probably something on top of that, so that solution should be okay. Although I didn't plan on keeping it. I have to now. Gosh, this is irritating. And I mean, it really is Ipsy's fault for not packaging that thing properly, So the Tarte C Gel Moisturizer retails $29. Of course, it's full size, 50 milliliters. Okay, well, I was going to say grand finale, but we do have one additional product after this. But look at this. It's as hard as a rock, which is so funny because it's called Moon Rocks. Okay, Truly Beauty Moon Rocks Whipped Body Scrub. This is a $20 product, 4 ounce in size. It's an anti-inflammatory with blue tansy, and it has brightening lavender. Has a protective vitamin E and sugar to calm the skin and buff the rough areas, and then you apply it to wet skin. So, look at that. All they had to do was properly package that up with some wrap around it and keep it secure. I just seriously don't understand who's working in their packaging department that would just toss that, their machine still. You know what I mean? And this would have been a really good box, in my opinion. I love this stuff. I mean, the Tarte C Light Gel Moisturizer sounds really nice. That Fleur NB Nectar of Sea serum, that sounds really nice. I'm going to love that facial cleanser, that enzyme facial cleanser. That Truly Beauty Whipped Moon Rocks. I really wanted to try that. And then there's one additional product. I literally opened this up with you and then stopped the camera. So I have to push all this stuff aside to get to the last product, because this really is the mess that I opened. Unbelievable. I still love you, Ipsy Plus. Alrighty. So here is the last product, which is a Misho Beauty. It's got little slivers of little stuff all over it. eyeshadow palette, and it just some really, really pretty colors. It did like leak out from being banged around a little bit. Not bad. If I do decide to give this one away in a giveaway, is there anyone that would be interested in that? I'm not sure. I mean, it's really pretty. I'm considering just keeping it, but you know, I am like hoarding stuff that I'm not using. And this is really pretty, so it's something I do have to consider, but I'm not even, you know, I think it looks okay. You know, it's just a little bit scattered around the eyeshadow palettes, but there's no like deep grooves in any of the colors. The colors are so pretty. Silky mattes and metallics, and retails $40. So those are my 5 Ipsy products for the month of January 2023. Without all the damage, what do you think? It would have been a pretty good box, huh? It does only have a retail of $167, but I do like all the products. Now, there's the bag. I told them that too. I said the bag has the glass all inside it, slivers, and it's all stained up with the blue. So hopefully they'll give me a new bag as well. But with all that aside, with all of these 5 products, I think it would have been a decent bag. So we'll see what the customer service, I mean, they emailed me back immediately. I just really feel like they're asking me which product, and I really feel like they should just replace the whole thing. But I have a feeling maybe they're just going to replace a couple of the things, like the one that was broken, the Floor Bee, and the Truly Beauty body scrub. But we'll see. So let me know what you think in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next video.